The house in Balsthal, designed by Pascal Flammer Architekten, is a family residence located in the northern part of Switzerland. The project has been extensively featured online and in magazines and praised for its design, mixing an archetypal wood cabin aspect with a more modern look. By combining its steep-pitched roof with overhanging eaves and full-height windows, it is reminiscent of vernacular Swiss architecture, and at the same time, it never attempts to hide its modern character. The building has many tectonic qualities, such as its sunken floor that establishes an intimate relationship with the outside. Located at the edge of the forest, the construction reflects its relationship with the surroundings through the extensive use of wood, both inside and outside. The construction is typically Swiss. Humble and native wood essences are crossed with high-tech engineering. The load-bearing elements are made from engineered wood, and the finishes are applied with a high degree of craftsmanship to achieve pure and simple lines. Overall, it gives an impression of a well-designed and context-aware dwelling. The reality on site is more nuanced. Balsthal is a rural town. Farms begin right where residential areas end, but it is also a suburban commuter town, typical of small communities in Switzerland that have experienced urban sprawl. This house stands apart, both physically and conceptually. Although it fits in with its forested surroundings, it is at odds with the architecture of the town itself. Further down the road, small and semi-detached villas disrupt the idyllic setting. The house is not a model for what the architecture of Balsthal could be, because it doesn't address the problem of urban sprawl. The vernacular ideal to which it appeals, that of the Alpine chalet, is not relevant to Balsthal, a town in the middle of the Swiss plateau. The house is appealing precisely because it is a solitary object, detached from the built environment. Perhaps it is the snow, but there is something melancholic about it. It is beautiful, but a conceptual dead end of sorts. It is an architecture of opposition, but not of resistance. By sidestepping the issue of urban sprawl, the architecture lacks the capacity to resist those forces. It also highlights a problem with regionalist strategies. What can be done when the ideal from which they draw inspiration is out of sync with the way people live in a given context? The Alpine ideal, even when modernized, is rural rather than urban or suburban.